What is going on YouTube? I have a nice cup of tea. And we have a package from California for Lucha Libre masks. Here we go. I'm doing a box opening. Let's go. So this should be full. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this first one is the Mascara Anno 2000. This is the cheaper one. Just like the cheapy kind of foam kind of. Oh, it doesn't even have a back bit of it. I mean, like I said, it was a cheapy one. This one, like a low quality kind of one, but obviously I couldn't say no for like, I think it was like $21 or something. It's all very cool though. Okay, next one. Dr. Wagner. And this is supposed to be semi-professional. Look at that, super cool. Has the bit at the back. There's some bird. And you can tell it's like way better quality than the previous one. Little sip of tea. Mill mascara. Semi-professional leopard print. This is gonna be a good one. Man of 1,000 masks. This one's semi-professional. There's super like thin fabric there, but I guess gold string at the back. Oh, look at the skin. Look at that there. How cool is that? There's the train. There's the M. Last but not least, this is going to be the best one. Mill mascara again. King of the Bats vampire that he wore in Japan in 1971, before I was even born. So this one's going to be amazing. And this is also supposed to be semi-professional grade. Amazing, look at all those. Okay guys, that was it. Which one is your favourite? Tell me which one you think is the best one. Do you think they're good quality? What is going on guys? Just want to jump on here at the end. We have Lucha hats, trucker caps, link in our description. Check them out. Very nice. See you later.